guys, there's a new pet coming to adopt me, and it's the Robo Dog, and Cybersale week are coming to adopt me too. I think this is going to cost Robux, but it might be on sale. I think a lot of pets and potions will be on sale at that week. I'm so excited. Make sure you guys play Adopt Me to get a lot of money on the weekend. This looks like the slingy dog from Woody because in the middle part it's just like a slingy. What do you guys think of this Robo Dog? Do you like it? Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Bye guys!